Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing the message, check your charger connection on your phone. Don't worry, this is a very common issue, and in most cases, it's easy to fix. Let's go through it step by step. First, check your charging cable. Look closely for bends, cuts, or loose ends. Even a small break inside the cable can stop charging. If possible, try a different cable to confirm. Next, inspect the charging adapter. Plug it into another wall socket or try a different adapter. Sometimes the problem isn't your phone, it's the power source. Now, let's clean the charging port. Dust and lint can build up inside and block the connection. Use a wooden toothpick or a soft brush, gently, and never use anything metal. Also, restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix temporary software glitches that cause charging errors. If the issue still appears, try charging from a computer or power bank. If it works there, your wall adapter may be faulty. Finally, if none of these solutions work, the charging port may be damaged, and it's best to visit an authorized service center. That's it. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.